I want to show you how to use a breast pump to express milk. It's a very useful tool for mothers, especially when you need to get milk quickly. As you can see, this breast pump has a milk container and a lever. When you press the lever, the suction begins and the milk starts to flow. It's very convenient because the container can be reused many times. Now I'll show you how it works. Place the pump directly on your breast. Make sure it fits snugly around the nipple and nothing is causing discomfort. Press the lever to create gentle pressure. This helps the milk flow into the container. When it starts filling, you'll notice the milk collecting inside. This is natural milk, which is very important for your baby's nutrition. As you can see, the process doesn't take much time. Once the container is filled with the right amount of milk, you can simply unscrew it and pour the milk into another clean container for storage. I hope this video helped you understand how to use a breast pump. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, I'll be happy to answer.